Did you know the average household in the United States unconsciously throws away over $800 a year on subscriptions they don't even use? Think about that for a second. Billionaires in the making. That's $800, potentially much more, that you are simply donating to companies without even realizing it. It's a silent, insidious form of financial bleeding that's sabotaging your journey to true wealth. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on 7 hidden subscription traps that are silently draining your bank account, and more importantly, I'm going to practically guide you, step by step, on exactly how to plug those leaks and reclaim your financial power. This isn't just about saving money, it's about optimizing your resources, freeing up capital, and accelerating your path to becoming a financial titan. Now let's elaborate on the problem. The modern world is designed to extract money from you in the most frictionless way possible. Subscription services are the kings of this game. They are masterfully crafted to be forgotten, to auto-renew without a whimper, and to accumulate in a digital graveyard of forgotten expenses. We're talking about the financial equivalent of a death by 1,000 tiny cuts. Each individual subscription might seem insignificant, $9.99 here, $14.99 there, but stack them up month after month, year after year, and you're looking at thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars vanishing from your potential investment capital. This isn't just theory, it's the stark reality for millions of people in developed nations. They are unknowingly funding empires, not building their own. We're here to change that right now. Let us now discuss the 7 traps and solutions. Let's dive into these hidden traps and, more importantly, how to disarm them. Free trial auto-renews the sneaky transition. This is perhaps the most common and frustrating trap. You sign up for a free trial, maybe a new streaming service, a productivity app, a fitness program, thinking you'll cancel before the charge hits. But companies deliberately make the cancellation process cumbersome, buried deep in menus or requiring phone calls. The result? That free trial becomes a paid subscription you never intended to keep. Here is your billionaire blueprint solution. Immediately after signing up for any free trial, set a loud, obnoxious calendar reminder for at least 48 hours before the trial expires. Better yet, use a virtual credit card with a limited spending amount or a set expiration date that aligns with the trial period. Many modern banking apps offer this. This is your digital bodyguard preventing unauthorized charges. And always read the fine print on cancellation policies before you give your card details. Forewarned is forearmed. If this video has already saved you money, or if it sparked an idea, don't keep this wealth-building secret to yourself. Share this video right now with 2 people you know who are tired of unknowingly losing money. Essential services you don't actually use, the ghost memberships. Be honest, billionaires in the making, that gym membership you joined with such gusto in January, that premium software suite you bought for a project that never quite materialized, that streaming service you keep just in case but haven't opened in months. These are essential services you're simply not utilizing. They sit there, a testament to good intentions, draining your account. Here is the best blueprint solution. This requires a ruthless monthly or quarterly audit. Open your bank statements and credit card bills. If you haven't genuinely used a service at least twice in the last 3 months, consider it dead weight. Ask yourself, does this actively contribute to my financial goals or lifestyle, or is it a relic? Be surgical, cut it, duplicate services, the overlap oblivion. In our quest for convenience, we often end up with overlapping subscriptions. Think about it. 2 different cloud storage providers, multiple streaming platforms offering similar content, or even 2 different VPNs. We sign up, forget we have another, and suddenly you're paying double for the same utility. Your billionaire blueprint solution is this: consolidate with extreme prejudice. Which one do you really use the most? Which offers the best value for your specific needs? Pick one, the absolute best for you, and eliminate the rest. This isn't about deprivation, it's about intelligent resource allocation. Imagine how much more impact we can make if everyone understands these traps. Take a moment, hit that share button, and send this video to someone whose financial well-being you care about. We all download apps, mobile games, productivity tools, photo editors, but many of these seemingly free apps have hidden subscriptions buried within their menus, often disguised as premium features or unlockable content. You might have agreed to a recurring charge without realizing it, simply to get rid of an annoying ad or access a minor perk. The top-notch blueprint solution for this problem is to regularly check your phone's subscription settings. For iOS, go to your Apple ID settings. For Android, check your Google Play Store subscriptions. It's shocking what you might find lurking there. Be hyper-aware when an app asks for credit card details, even if it seems like a one-time purchase. This trap is rampant during online purchases. You're checking out, and suddenly there's a pre-selected box for expedited delivery you don't need, a premium warranty on a $20 item, or an exclusive member discount that automatically enrolls you in a paid service. Companies pre-select these to leverage your checkout momentum. The best method and solution to problems is to develop a habit of extreme vigilance. Always deselect default options during checkout. Read every line of the fine print, especially around the payment section. Assume nothing is truly free if it requires your credit card details. Loyalty programs with fees, the free that isn't. Many seemingly free loyalty programs eventually morph into paid tiers, promising greater benefits for an annual fee. Think about those VIP clubs or premium memberships that suddenly appear as an option. While some offer genuine value, many do not, yet we sign up out of habit or a fear of missing out. To solve this issue the best way, you have to review the terms and conditions of every loyalty program you're part of, at least once annually. Ask yourself, am I truly receiving benefits that significantly outweigh this annual cost? If the answer isn't an emphatic yes, it's time to cut ties. Your money should work for you, not for a marginal discount on something you rarely buy. The more people who become financially savvy, the stronger our community of billionaires in the making becomes. Share this video across your social media. Let's make financial literacy go viral. Post-purchase subscriptions, the email pop-up predicament. You've just completed an online purchase, you're feeling good, and then a sneaky email pop-up appears. Exclusive access to our members-only content for just X dollars per month. Or unlock special discounts by joining our club now. These are designed to catch you off guard, leveraging your post-purchase high. I encourage you to be absolutely vigilant. Never ever enter credit card information for something you didn't explicitly seek out and research thoroughly. If an offer seems too good to be true, it almost certainly is. Close that pop-up, delete that email, and protect your financial fortress. This is my actionable takeaway for you. Billionaires in the making, this isn't just theoretical knowledge, this is your immediate action plan. I challenge each and every one of you to dedicate just 30 minutes this week to an aggressive, unyielding audit of your bank statements and credit card bills for the last 3 to 6 months. Go line by line, highlight every recurring charge. Ask yourself, is this truly serving my financial goals? To make this even easier, I've prepared a simple, downloadable subscription audit checklist and template that will walk you through the process, available for free via the link in the description below. This isn't a suggestion, it's a critical step on your path to financial mastery. Look, this conversation about hidden subscriptions might seem basic, but ignoring it is costing you potentially thousands every single year. Imagine if that wasted $800, $1,000, or even $2,000 was instead invested consistently. Over time, compounded, that's not just a few extra dollars, that's a new asset, a down payment, a significant contribution to your financial freedom. This seemingly small act of vigilance is a foundational pillar of the billionaire financial lifestyle. If you've identified a trap you're falling for, or if you've already implemented one of these solutions, let me know in the comments below. And then, crucially, share this video with someone who needs this exact insight today. Which of these insidious traps have you fallen for? We've all been there, myself included. Share your story, your aha moments, or even your biggest saving triumphs in the comments below. Your experiences can inspire and guide other billionaires in the making. If this video has opened your eyes, if it has already saved you money just by thinking about it, then please share this video with someone you care about who needs to stop bleeding cash. This isn't just content, it's a crucial financial intervention. Think of a friend, a family member, or a colleague who might be caught in these traps. Send it to them right now. Speaking of building true wealth, in our very next video, I'm going to share something truly transformative. How I paid off $2,000 in consumer debt in 12 months, your debt freedom blueprint. This isn't just another debt story, it's a practical, step-by-step framework that anyone in any financial situation can apply to systematically dismantle debt and accelerate their wealth creation. Trust me, billionaires in the making, this is a blueprint no one should miss. So, make sure you've hit that subscribe button and turned on the notification bell icon so you don't miss that critical video and all the future wealth-building strategies we'll be unveiling here at the Billionaire Financial Lifestyle Academy. In the meantime, dive into this next video that's on your screen now. It's packed with even more insights to elevate your financial game.